Hello everyone, today we'll create this hover effect. We just don't use the hover class, but we use something called group hover in Tailwind. So let's see how we can do that. So here I've just set up a sample React app. There is nothing in this app except this app.jsx, which is empty as well. So first we'll create a background for the hover effect. So this is the structure we'll be creating. This is the div where we give the group class. So whenever we hover this div, all the child elements will also react to that group hover. So let's see how we can do that. So we have our main div ready. As you can see, we are using hover to hover this. Only in this div we are using the general hover. Since we gave a group class to this, now all the elements inside it should react to the hover. So now we'll set up that. So to put the group hover, we have to use group hyphen hover class. So this is the class we use to connect the parent div which has the group class and the main element that has the hover group hover class. So even now, as soon as we are hovering the main div, the heading also is changing its color, though we are not hovering the heading itself. So that's the advantage of group hover. Okay, it seems the group hover for the paragraph didn't apply. Let's see. I just gave a wrong name. So this is how it works. We are just hovering on the main div, but every element inside it is reacting to that hover. So that's the use of group hover, and this is how we do it. We just assign the group class to the main div and we just add group hover class to the child elements. That's all, guys. You can also get this code in the link appearing on the screen. Feel free to copy it and make changes accordingly. Thank you.